So a mini vacation is a quiet moment, no matter how long. Why would we do something like that? It takes time from the day. It breaks things up. So when I would much rather be making myself crazy for several hours in a row to make sure that I get the job done. Well, that's a problem. The way stress works in our lives, in most Westerners, is we gear up in the morning because we know the traffic on the freeway is going to be horrible. We know that as soon as we get into the office or to wherever we work, that problems are going to start appearing. We know we're going to have to, you remember the person who was clicking their gum at the next desk? Well, she'll be there. We know that. So we gear up for that as if they're all saber-toothed tigers. So first thing in the morning, we open our eyes and then we begin to gear ourselves up for danger. So our muscles are a little bit tense. Our breathing is a little bit more rapid than necessary. Our pulse rate is up, our blood pressure is up. Not so much that, that the doctor says, hey, you really have a problem. You really need to take a medication or do something else. But enough to make a difference in how much energy we use during the day. So if you can imagine, first thing in the morning, your stress curve goes up to here from 0 and then stays there all day long. And then not until you go to sleep, if you're lucky, does it taper down. All of that space is wasted energy. Let's talk about how to change that so that all of the extra energy that's used is down here this much rather than that much. And one of the ways to do it are those mini vacations. So if you set a pattern for yourself during your day that includes the moments before lunch, the moment before you get out of your car at work, the moment even before you leave work, when you change tasks, opening an envelope or opening a folder, each of those points, stop and relax. And with practice, that curve starts to come down. It may go up again, and then you bring it back down again. And that's how mini vacations can reduce the amount of stress in our day.